was accused of knowing nothing. Plato, how do you plead?
Innocent!
I would like to call
Plato as my witness. Prosecution may proceed. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay. Sit down.
I understand that you believe that we cannot perceive the world.
We cannot truly perceive the world.
So what do we perceive?
We perceive imperfect aspects of ideal forms. We only know the forms before we are born. After we are born, we forget them, so we cannot perceive them as they truly are. We perceive only imperfect images of the perfect forms.
Would you please describe Judge Burgess for the court?
Well, she's beautiful and just...
How beautiful is she?
She possesses great beauty, the likes of which I have never seen before.
So is she ideally beautiful?
Well...
Answer the question.
No, she's not ideally beautiful, but ideal beauty is unattainable.
Is she ideally just?
Ideal justice is...
Answer the question.
No, she's not ideally just.
Do you have any respect for the court of law? I object. Overruled. You see, Honor, that Plato does not believe in perception. Therefore, he cannot perceive anything, and he cannot know anything. As evidence of this, I have demonstrated that he does not know how to behave in a courtroom. He has called you ugly and unjust. Prosecution rests.
I see.
Plato, do you have knowledge?
I suppose that depends on what you mean by knowledge.
If you know how to fix a car or calculate a math problem, that's knowledge.
Those are examples of knowledge, but what is knowledge?
Knowledge is true belief. If something is true and you believe it, then you have knowledge of it.
But lawyers create belief of untrue things all the time.
I object. Overruled.
So knowledge is obviously not true belief. What if we add justification to it?
Perhaps, but how would you justify that you know something?
I could compare it to something else.
And how would you justify that you know something else?
I see what you mean. So do you believe that you have just as much of a claim on knowledge as the rest of us?
Yes.
No further questions.
I hereby find Plato guilty of having no knowledge and insulting the court. You are hereby sentenced to drink hemlock from Foster.
Who are you?
Hi. All rise for the Honorable Judge Burgess. For the Honorable Judge Burgess. All rise for the Honorable Judge Burgess. Little girl, come up, please. All rise for the Honorable Judge Burgess. All rise for the Honorable Judge Burgess. I would like to... All rise for the Honorable Judge Burgess. Stop playing!
If you know how to fix a car or calculate a math problem, that's knowledge.
Those are examples of knowledge, but what is knowledge?
Knowledge is true belief. If something is true and you believe it, then you have knowledge of it.
But lawyers create belief of untrue things all the time.
Respect for the court of law. I object. Don't laugh. I'm your piece of crap. You weren't the one that was supposed to jump up. That was like, you're like, I object. No, I'm the one that's supposed to get up.
Oh my God.
So what do I do?
Just
Stand up and be like, I object.
Okay, guys, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Do you have any respect for the court of law?
I object.
Overruled. Oh, I do need a script. I don't have one either. Liz has a script.
The script.
So wait, keep it, because all I have to say, do you have any?
We're missing the script.
Brian!
We're missing the script.
Brian! Oh, seriously. Guys, I'm getting really frustrated.
Do you swear to tell the Stop, just keep it quick. The state, Plato versus Grace, who's accused of doing nothing. No, we know. Oh my God. Plato versus Grace, another state accused of no. Wrong.